friends, Elizabeth here from Plant-Based Bride, back again with another video, and today is Plantmas Day 8. I can't believe we're already in the second half of Plantmas. This has gone by so quickly. Today I'm setting up my husband's bullet journal for the new year, and as always, this is a very simple, minimal, quick setup for him. The only year-long spread that he likes to use is the future log, so all I'm doing here is making a really simple New Year spread on the inner cover and his future log, and we're done. So hopefully this is helpful for those of you who are more on the minimalist side of things, but still want to add something with a bit of a design, something with a bit of interest. Hopefully this is up your alley. I decided to go with a really simple black and white minimalist setup here with some geometric shapes and lines. I feel like this theme is actually kind of like if my last bullet journal and the newest bullet journal I set up had a baby who was even more minimalist. So maybe at some point I'll get into a different type of minimalist setup that isn't shapes and lines, but honestly this is one of the easiest, quickest ways to make a spread look nice in my opinion, and it can be very quick. All you need is a single pen, a ruler, and a circle template if you want your lines to be nice and crisp, and you're good to go. By the way, there is a giveaway in today's video, so make sure to stay to the end to find out what you can win and how to enter. I also wrote out his name in the This Book Belongs To section. We'll also pop his phone number under his name once this video is over. He takes his bullet journal with him everywhere and to work every day, so we definitely want to make sure that if anything were to happen to it, someone could return it to him. So that's it for the little cover page area, very quick and easy. And flipping to the second and final spread of this very minimalist setup, which is his future log. As y'all know, I love a good monoline cursive with this serif font. I just feel like it's such a good pair. Although for my husband's bullet journal, I shifted the monoline cursive to be a little less bubbly than the cursive that I tend to use in my own bullet journal, if that makes any sense at all. I'm also using my mini calendars to set up his future log. Again, the fastest and easiest way to set up a future log ever. I never want to go back to having to write out every single number individually for the entire year. It just takes so long. The physical stickers are sold out right now, but you can get digital stickers that you can print at home on regular paper and glue it into your bullet journal, or on sticker paper if you have sticker paper at home. So my shop will be linked in the description box along with the other very minimal supplies that I used in this video. Also, I totally forgot to mention, but I am setting up my husband's bullet journal in the A5 cloth olive notebook from my collaboration with Archer and Olive. I'm using the vegan leather B5 size of this notebook, and he's in the A5 cloth version, so we're kind of matching, which is gross and adorable. And that's it for this setup. When I said minimal, quick, easy, simple, I meant all of those things. This was one of the fastest setups I've ever done, and it's so nice sometimes to get to do setups that are quick and easy to do, but still have a nice clean finish and make an impact. So hopefully this gives you ideas if you're more on the minimalist side of things, or if you just don't have the time to create intricate spreads. You can still make spreads that look nice and have some sort of design element to them without having to spend hours and hours making them. I like to spend hours and hours making spreads sometimes, but not all the time. So now it's time to talk about today's giveaway, which is for matching notebooks to my husband. So there are 2 winners for today's giveaway. One winner will get the A5 size and the other winner will get the B5 size of the cloth olive branch notebook for my collaboration with Archer and Olive. And the rules to enter are very simple. All you have to do is be subscribed to my YouTube channel and like this video, and follow me on TikTok. If you don't have TikTok, you can follow me on Instagram or Pinterest or Twitter. Take your pick. Then leave a comment down below letting me know if you're more of an artistic bullet journaler or more of a minimalist bullet journaler, as well as if you'd prefer an A5 or B5 size notebook if you won. Also, don't forget to include the hashtag Plantmas2021. Of course, all of the rules are written out nice and easy to follow in the description box, so check that out to make sure you're following every rule to enter so you won't get disqualified. You have 24 hours to enter this giveaway, and the winners will be chosen and contacted tomorrow. Thank you, as always, to my patrons for your support. And with that, I'm gonna get going. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you really soon tomorrow for Plantmas Day 9. Bye, friends.